Okay, so this is the presentation about space, and we have the sun, the earth, and then the moon. So how do they move? So let's start off by the sun. The sun is not moving. The sun spins on its axis. It's just rotating. The earth has two movements. The earth travels, orbits the sun um, in a process called revolution, and it takes about 365 days or 1 year. And that's what causes the seasons. The sun orbiting the earth, orbiting the sun, is what causes the seasons. Then we have the earth spins on its own axis in a process called rotation. It takes about 24 hours or 1 day. The moon is also moving, orbiting the earth. The moon orbits the earth. Look at the sizes of each model, okay? Good. So the sun, when you look on it from Earth, the sun comes out on the east and goes all the way down to the west. The times here indicate the time and the position of the sun throughout the day. So at 7, the sun is going to be here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. This is the horizon. What evidence do we have that the earth spins on its own axis? Well, the sun appears to move across the sky, the shadows move throughout the day, and the most important one, we have day and night. And then we also have to know the order of the planets. My very educated mother just served us natchez. My means Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and then Neptune. Good luck.